Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video, I am going to teach you how we can do exception handling when we have API integrated in our project. So people find it hard, but it's really simple. I have already told you about how we can integrate APIs in our Angular project. Maybe you can look for those videos on my channel, but I will just quickly give you overview of my code. So here you can see, so in order to integrate any API, you need API endpoint, okay? And I have injected this HTTP client from add_angular/common/HTTP, and I'm using this HTTPS variable. So in order to integrate, what you need is this .http.get and your endpoint, and you need to subscribe to that particular observable. So if you see on the browser, so I'm getting the response in this format. Since I have console this, I'm able to see this in console. Now there would be case where you will need to do some coding or show the message if this API endpoint fails, right? So how we can achieve that? So for that, first we will create one scenario where this API may break, okay? So here, let's say if I change this input to TS, okay, and that is not correct input, so in that case we will get this error, okay? But in order to get this error in specific format, we will need this particular error code, right? So how we can get that? So for this one, what you will have to do, you will have to do some changes in this code. So instead of directly subscribing to this API endpoint, what you can do is you can remove this Control X as of now, and then here you can create one object. Within that you would say next, then just like how we did it earlier, so you can mention data any, and then this arrow function, and here you can print your data, okay, console.log data, okay. So now let me correct this endpoint again. So just in case if you want this mock API response, so you can go to jsonplaceholder.typecode.com. there you will get the mock APIs, okay. So now this is the working scenario, and we are getting this data correctly as we were getting earlier, okay. Now we need to check the not working condition. So here in this case, if you see, we are getting this error, correct? So how to intercept that error? So just like we did this next method, what you need to do is you can create error colon, then you can mention whatever name which you want to give. I'm giving ERR, and here you need to give error, okay. So now, and then we need to create arrow function, and here we can mention console.log error, correct? And then let's see on the browser. So now we are getting this statement printed on line number 25. It's correct, right? So from here you will get the more details about that error, like what the error is, okay. So we can do whatever. Let's say we can add a condition over here like error.status, and if that particular status is 404, then you can execute your code. Console.log error encountered, okay. So this, I'm writing it correct, okay. This is encounter, and then you can print this status text if you want. If backend is providing you any text, that also you can include it over here. So as of now it's giving some error over here, so I will change it to any as of now. And let's say, so here also we need to add this condition. If the error is 404, then only print this below condition, okay. So now you can see, right? since this code is getting executed, we are getting this line printed on our console. So in this way you can do exception handling in your code very easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.